Hello people, welcome to this channel. Just to inform you that in our small town we don't have water for almost the whole day. Starting morning, I think around 6 o'clock, and until now about 8 o'clock in the evening, we still don't have water. So I'm hunting for water. I came to this place and some people sitting around, they said there is no water at all. So finally got a Thai friend who is ready to help. She's
76 she's got 6 or 7 years.
6 or 7 years. Oh, now.
Dog 7535 42 and
Same
42
same my
but I stay here 2553 so 12 years
12 years in Puntong.
okay.
Me maybe
Dog
7 years.
10.
Maybe 10 years.
I think 10
Oh,
and then 10 ก็
old.
7 old dog
Old and happy dog. Getting ready for football World Cup.